Hello everyone, my name is Rysan and welcome to my channel, and you guys are watching RysFix. In this video, I will be doing unboxing of my new tool, which is a air impact wrench. Guys, I wanted to buy this tool long time ago, but I could not do it. But now, finally, I have bought it. It is my dream tool, guys, and I want to see how it works. And I want to see how it makes my life easy. Or will it really make my life easy? Or is it not worth it? Let's find out. So it is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So without any further ado, let's get the video started and let's unbox this tool. So guys, come on, let's open this box and let's check what is inside the box, and let's see what you get along with the tool. Before opening the box, see that you read properly what is written on top of the box. Now as you guys can see that it is written here, you will get 3 sockets with this tool, which is a very good thing. So I will give you a slightly closer look of it. I was thinking that I would get more sockets with this tool, but I think I will not get them. One more important thing I want to tell you guys here is that this impact wrench sockets are different sockets. These are not normal sockets, and as you guys can see, it is written on the box here. Along with this impact wrench, you can use this set of sockets, but you will have to buy them separately. These don't come in this box. Now the socket set which I have cannot be used with this impact wrench. Even if I use them, it can harm the tool or the nut. And if you see on the other side of the box, then the diagram of the air system layout is printed on the box. What it means is how your airline should be designed. Means your airline from the compressor to the tool. In between there should be water separator and all. So all that is shown here. So see that you have a look at it properly. Now my airline is already there, so I don't have much tensions about it. Now watch till the end of the video, guys, because I am going to share an important tip at the end of the video. So guys, come on, let's quickly open the box and see what are the contents. So here I have opened the box, and inside this box there is another box. And when I opened that box, I found a plastic packet. So come on, let's open this plastic packet and see what is inside. So the moment I opened the plastic packet, inside the plastic packet there were some sockets, some airline connectors, and as you guys can see, it is come with oil, which is a very good thing. Then comes this socket. This is a 21 mm socket. Now on the car tires there are mostly 21 mm nuts. So the next socket which is come along with this is the 19 mm socket, and the third socket which is come along with it is the 17 mm socket. Now all these 3 are important sockets because most of the time these 3 sockets are used, and especially with the impact wrench, these 3 sockets are used the most. Then inside the packet there were so many airline fitting connections, which is a very good thing. These are quick release coupling fittings. Now before putting this on the tool, I will have to check what type of fitting I have on my tools, and then I will select from one of this. Then the next thing that is come inside the box is the instructions manual. Read this instructions manual properly. Always every company has different type of instructions. If you don't read the instructions and if you use the tool in a wrong way, then your tool can get damaged. So see that you read the instructions manual before you handle the tool. Now as you guys can see that the box is already empty. So come on, now let's take out the impact wrench out from the plastic bag and let's check it out. So here comes out my impact wrench out of the plastic bag. This is a very heavy tool. I checked the weight of it and it is coming 7 kilograms. This is a half-inch drive impact wrench, which means that half-inch socket will fit on this tool. Now there is lots of good information written on the back of the tool here. Information like if you don't put any load on it, then the RPM of this tool is 7000, and it has a 610 Newton meters torque. It has twin hammer mechanism, and the air pressure which is required for the operation of this tool is 90 psi. What this means is to operate this tool, it needs 90 psi air pressure from your air compressor for this tool to work properly. Now if you look at the bottom side of the handle, then you will see the place where you should connect your airline, and this switch, if it is out on the right side, then it will rotate anti-clockwise, and if it is outside on the left side, then it will rotate clockwise. Now this switch has 5 speeds. You can turn the knob like this and set the speed. So while using this, we'll see what is the exact mechanism. Now on this handle you will notice it is written oil daily. What this means is every time when you want to use this tool, see that you put 2 drops of oil inside of the airline. Now the oil you have already got along with this tool inside the box. Now here wherever the airline is connected, there is a plastic cap there. This cap I will take out now. Now this plastic cap you will have to take out now. Once you take out this plastic cap, now on this tool, the vest coupling connection, all those extensions which I have got along with the tool, I will have to select one from them and put it here. But before I do that, I will go and check on my tools as what type of connector I have connected on my tools. Now, as you guys can see, this is my air blowing tool, and as you guys can see what type of connector is there connected on this tool. Now these are all the connectors which are come along with my impact wrench. So I will compare and see if this type of connector is come with the impact wrench, and as you guys can see, it has come with a similar type of connector, and my job is become more easy now. Directly I can connect this tool to my airline. But But before I do that, I will put this connector on the tool. It is very easy to put this on the tool. It's like how you thread the bolt, like that you will have to put it inside the tool. So here I have put this extension on my tool. As you guys can see, I have only tightened this with my hand, because pneumatic tools you actually don't need a separate spanner and all to tighten it. If you just give it a nice snug, it is enough. So now I will bring my airline and I will try to connect it. So here I have connected my airline. You just have to press it and your tool is now connected. How easy it is to connect, you have seen that already. Now if your compressor is filled with air, then whichever tool is connected to the airline, just take it out and connect your impact wrench, and now you can start using this tool. Now I will tighten this connector a little bit more here. I will not tighten it with a spanner yet, because just by tightening with my hand, I think it will work. Now if you look at this switch here, you can press this switch like this. Now whichever side the switch is inside, the tool will rotate on that side. But even then I will start this tool and check, and after that we'll see which side it rotates. Now this socket, you just have to press it and put it inside. Now for the first time I am putting this socket inside this tool, and it is becoming slightly difficult to put it inside. It is not going inside kind of. So I will keep the tool like this on the floor and I will push the socket from top like this. So here goes my socket inside, as you guys can see. Now to take this socket out, I think it will be slightly difficult. It is become very tight like. So somehow I managed to separate the socket from the tool. Now if you look at this switch, you can press it on one side and you can rotate it on the other side. Now if you rotate it on one side, it will go on 0 on the other side. What it means is, if you put it on 5 number, then on the other side you will notice that it is gone on the 0 number. It looks slightly confusing. So come on, let's start to use this tool and see what happens. Now on my car tire, there are 21mm nut. So I will use the 21mm socket. I will put it on my tool now. So here I have placed the socket on my tool. So come on, let's connect the air line to the tool now. So here I have connected the air line to my tool. So I will turn it on and see. And yes guys, this sound is like a music to my ears. How many of you guys like this sound? Do let me know in the comment section below. So come on, let's take out the nut. And there you go guys, there you go. It has reduced my 20 minutes work in 5 seconds. So before, when I wanted to loosen this nut, I had to make use of the long pipe. So you guys have experienced the magic of this tool, how easily the nuts are coming out. So to take the tire out, I cannot suggest any other better tool than this. It has completed a 20 minutes job in just 2 minutes. And what else can one expect? This is the reason why I have purchased this tool. So as you guys have experienced it, how easy and without using any physical force, how much of your physical energy can be saved to take out this nut. You guys already know how much energy is required and how much force is required to take out this nut. So when you guys have tools like this, it can make your life easy guys. I will put a link of this tool in the description below. You can go there and later check it out. But to use this tool, you will need a compressor first. If you don't have a compressor, you can't use this tool. That's why I recommend you guys to invest in a compressor. It will make your life easy. Now this tool, on whichever side the switch is pressed, it will rotate on that side. But to adjust the speed, you'll have to adjust it from the other side. So you'll have to press on one side and adjust the speed on the other side. But the numbers you should see on the pressed side. Now I have pressed the switch on the right side, and if you press the switch on the right side, it will turn clockwise. And you guys know that to tighten the nut, you'll have to turn them clockwise. So I will tighten all these nuts quickly. Now how easily they are tightened, you guys have seen that already. And as you guys can see on the tool, you will have to set your speed by turning this knob here. Now if you press the switch on this side, then it will start to turn in the anti-clockwise direction. But to adjust the speed, you will have to turn the knob from this side. So the important tip that I want to give you guys is, this tool is very good to take the nut out, but it is not that good to tighten the nut. Once you tighten the nut with this impact wrench, you will have to take a long pipe and check all the nuts if they are tightened properly. I did this mistake. I totally depended on this tool and I took the car for a drive and all the tires were loose guys. So I had to stop the car and tighten all the nuts. So this is a very important thing guys. See that you tighten your nut properly. And this was today's important tip. So guys, I paid around 4,000 rupees for this tool. If you want to buy this tool, then I have put a link of that in the description below. You can go there and check it out. So guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye and take care.